we're wishing you and yours a Merry Valentine's Day. And that's why we're featuring a Valentine's Day home decor tour that you and your kids will absolutely love. Alright, so at first I'll show you my own Valentine's Day decorations, and then when we get to the end of this video, we'll show you some other ladies and you'll see how they decorated too. And with that, let's get started. I think you'll really enjoy this tour, as the things I'll show you, you can implement them quickly, they're inexpensive, and they can make a big impact on your space. So in terms of decorating indoors, I like to show you this Scrabble board that I made. It was a family DIY project. I already had it up, but it works well for Valentine's Day. Here I show you how I redesigned my mantle by just replacing a few pieces for Valentine's Day. Now initially I was going to put this heart-shaped wind chime up over the fireplace, but when I took a look at it, it just wasn't doing it for me. What's interesting is that I didn't realize that the single hearts all combined to make one big giant heart. So that is pretty cool. I love the piece, I just didn't like it in the space. So what I ended up doing was I did take it down, but I found another place for it in my home. And while I purchased it from Home Goods for the purposes of Valentine's Day, I think I'm just going to keep it by my bedroom, and I just love it in that space. Since I still didn't get my dining room table, I had room for a Valentine's Day tree, and it looks even better from the outside view. So I just did a couple of things on the outside space, but it made a big impact. For instance, I got this love sign that I put next to the mailbox and my little friend from Amazon. I also got this love sign that I purchased from Amazon. It's in the top window. It's a little smaller than I had envisioned and it doesn't stick very well, so I might return that, but it looks okay for the season. Up top in the circular window, you'll see that double heart. I got that from Big Lots for just $5. Those outdoor red lights surrounding the door were super cheap as well. Also got those from Big Lots. I made that Valentine's Day wreath with items from the dollar store, and I was just super happy with my outside decor. Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. You may remember Joanne, as she was our fan favorite, and we saw much of her Valentine's Day decor when she competed in the Valentine's Day tree competition. She was going for romance, and she definitely nailed it. Take a look at how she drove the theme home with her wonderful tablescape. Here we have Sharon Riddick Johnson of the Stagecoach. She says it's all in the details, y'all. She'll help you fall in love with your home as she creates wonderful displays that are timeless, sophisticated, and can be used for any occasion. Take a look. And now for our question of the day. How many times was Jawan selected as our fan favorite? Put that number down in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.